Deep beneath the turbulent waves of the North Atlantic lies a secret engineering marvel, hidden from the world.
This natural-looking exterior serves as a perfect camouflage, shielding the sensitive inner laboratory from any external detection. The transition from raw stone to high-tech transparency reveals a structure designed to withstand extreme hydrostatic pressure levels. Constructed by the United States military, this facility represents the pinnacle of covert underwater architectural engineering and design. The glass used is a proprietary borosilicate composite, fused directly into the granite core for maximum structural integrity.
Every joint is pressurized to match the surrounding environment, ensuring the brittle glass does not shatter under load.
Automated systems monitor the exterior shell constantly, scanning for microfractures that could lead to a catastrophic base failure.
The central atrium serves as the primary hub, connecting specialized research wings buried deep within the granite foundation.
Submersibles enter through a concealed hatch in the rock, docking seamlessly with the pressurized glass terminal for personnel.
The base operates in total secrecy, housing scientists and military tacticians dedicated to long-term deep-sea surveillance and research. Expansion continues within the rock, using thermal drilling technology to create new space without compromising the structural exterior. The surrounding ocean acts as a natural heat sink for the massive server arrays required for base operations. This armored glass is thicker than the hull of most submarines, providing safety against the crushing depth pressures. External lights are rarely used to maintain the stealth profile of the facility against potential hostile underwater detection.
Living inside a rock requires psychological adjustments, as the glass walls provide the only sense of open space.
The design prioritizes visual access to the ocean, reducing the claustrophobic effects of living hundreds of meters underwater. Life support systems are embedded directly into the infrastructure, recycling air and water with nearly 100%.
Magnetic levitation elevators move personnel between levels, eliminating the need for mechanical cables that could potentially fail. Once sealed, the rock appears entirely natural, leaving no trace of the sophisticated glass base hidden deep within. Engineers spent years perfecting the glass recipe to ensure it could withstand both extreme pressure and sudden impacts.
Positioned strategically, the base monitors transatlantic communication cables while remaining invisible to standard naval sonar and radar.
Thermal masking technology ensures the rock does not radiate heat, preventing thermal imaging from identifying the hidden facility.
Operators track every movement in the vicinity, using a network of sensors hidden within the surrounding rock formations.
Human oversight remains critical, as manual inspections verify the data provided by the base's automated structural monitoring systems. Titanium bolts anchor the glass structure to the granite, providing a rigid frame that resists shifting tectonic movements.
Self-sufficiency is paramount, with glass-enclosed gardens providing fresh food and supplemental oxygen for the entire base crew.
The base provides an unprecedented view of deep-sea life, often attracting curious predators to the illuminated glass windows.
Pressure equalization is a slow, methodical process required before any personnel can exit into the open ocean environment.
Hollowing out a 20-meter rock underwater required precision engineering to avoid collapsing the natural granite protective outer shell.
The placement of the first glass panel marked the transition from a simple excavation to a sophisticated habitat.
A compact nuclear reactor provides decades of power, making the base entirely independent from any surface energy sources.
Encrypted fiber optics run through the granite, providing a secure link for data transmission to the military command. In case of a breach, automated escape pods can launch, carrying personnel to the surface in minutes, safely. The medical bay is equipped to handle any emergency, ensuring the health of the crew in isolation. Maintaining the clarity of the glass is essential for both psychological well-being and visual monitoring of the exterior. Natural sedimentation helps further hide the base, making it indistinguishable from any other rock on the sea floor.
Advanced polymer coatings allow the glass to self-heal minor scratches, maintaining its structural integrity against small debris impacts.
The observation dome offers a stunning view, proving that high-tech architecture can coexist within a natural granite structure. Preserving knowledge in such an extreme environment requires specialized storage solutions to protect items from the humid air.
From a distance, the base is completely invisible, a testament to the success of its radical architectural design. The Cherenkov radiation from the reactor core provides a haunting blue glow, visible through the thick glass flooring.
Maintenance is a constant task, as the harsh saltwater environment aggressively attacks any exposed metal components or seals.
Reverse osmosis systems integrated into the glass walls provide a continuous supply of fresh water for the base.
Polishing the granite interior surfaces helps reduce vibration and noise, creating a more comfortable environment for the residents.
Physical health is maintained through rigorous exercise programs, with the ocean view providing a necessary mental distraction for.
Glass is not a single layer, but a multi-layered composite designed to absorb and distribute mechanical stress.
Base enables unique research into the high-pressure environment outside the glass walls. The scale of the project is immense. A 20-meter rock transformed into a functional, high-tech military underwater outpost. Hidden away, this glass base inside a granite rock remains one of the world's most impressive secret achievements. The base is divided into 5 distinct levels, each serving a specific function, from power generation to research. Triple-sealed airlocks ensure that no seawater can enter the main living areas, maintaining a constant internal atmospheric pressure.
Seismic dampers integrated into the granite foundation allow the glass structure to sway slightly during underwater tectonic shifts.
Service tunnels provide access to the complex network of wiring and plumbing that keeps the base fully operational.
Fire is a major hazard in an enclosed environment, so induction technology is used for all cooking tasks.
Robotic arms extend from the granite base to collect geological samples without the need for divers to exit. Crew quarters are compact but efficient, featuring integrated furniture and advanced health monitoring systems. Waste is never discarded into the ocean, instead being processed and recycled into the base's internal hydroponic systems. The mainframe handles all base operations, from oxygen levels to the steering of the external surveillance sensor array.
Hidden cameras provide a full 360-degree view around the rock, allowing for constant surveillance of the perimeter.
A massive reservoir ensures a backup supply of fresh water is always available in case of a system. Temperature gradients across the glass are carefully managed to prevent thermal stress that could lead to structural failure. Redundant power systems are critical, with enough battery capacity to run the entire base for several full weeks. Steel beams reinforced with carbon fiber provide additional support to the granite shell, preventing any potential structural collapse. Every drop of water is precious, and the laundry system uses advanced filtration to maximize the recycling efficiency. Strategic planning occurs in the briefing room, where holographic displays provide a detailed view of the surrounding environment.
Even underwater, light-sensitive telescopes can monitor the surface and stars when the water conditions are exceptionally clear.
The interaction between the natural granite and the artificial glass creates a unique habitat for many marine species.
Filters remove even the smallest particles from the air, ensuring a clean and healthy breathing environment for everyone.
The lower levels are carved into the densest part of the granite, providing the most protection for sensitive.
Optical clarity is maintained through regular polishing, ensuring that all observation ports remain perfectly clear for the crew.